Today's Friday. I don't know, I forget the day, but today's Friday. Welcome on another chase. We're hoping we're going to see some nice stuff today. For the past two chases, even though while I was at home I got that good storm on tape though, but we couldn't stay ahead of it, so hopefully this time we'll be able to get some good stuff. So we'll see what happens. I'm expecting probably between a 3 to 6 hour long chase, so hope you guys enjoy it and see different vantage points. So we are heading out Cincinnati. We're going to head down towards Louisville and probably chase the back roads, country roads probably. So that's what probably we're going to be doing. Probably going to stake out someplace, a good view, probably wait for the storm. So this time we're going to stay ahead of it. So we're under 5% chance of tornadoes here in the tri-state area. So we'll see what happens. If we may catch a tornado on tape today, we'll see what happens. Let's hope not where people are living. So let's hope out in the world and where there's nobody living at. That's what we're praying. If it does happen, we'll see it there. So not where people are living. We're heading towards a woolly, nice severe thunderstorm. It's producing 70-mile-an-hour winds. Should be a remarkable shell cloud on this thing, I'm expecting. There we go, Louisville.
I can't find the magnet to my external antenna for this thing.
I hope it's not a...
Storm hazards include 60 miles an hour, quarter uphill, frequent clouds to ground lightning, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding and congestion paths include most of Kentucky Speedway, Warsaw, Williamstown.
We're headed right to Owington. Owington is the Warsaw exit.
Monterey, Squiresville, Easterday, Harmony, Nelson Davis Lake, Eagle Station.
Jared, I think this is your official first storm chase.
Maybe we'll catch some golf ball size hail.
No, not the car, not the car. Not the Owingtown one, no. Is it this?
Trust me, it's going to get exciting soon here.
We're just entered one.
That's a nice structure there. Wow, that looks nice on my camera.
Awesome.
Yours got a green tint to it. That's pretty cool.
Zombie apocalypse, isn't that the green tint on everything? And now we're getting some definition.
Now we're getting close to the base. You see?
First thing I thought, like, it's in the morning.
Could be a shelf underneath there, but I don't see anything. It's too dark.
There's texture right above us. It's picking up on this
Yeah,
camera.
it's
Nice.
yeah. Look at that right there. Oh, I do see a shelf. Nice shelf. Woohoo! All right. You can see it very clearly. There it is, folks. There's our shelf cloud right there.
That would be on the west side. A little bit, get that contrast out. That's the one we're looking at here.
There's some, I'm not seeing that wall cloud, but it looks like some right here. Jason!
What,
Turn
actually
around
something?
here in a second.
No, this is something I actually want to observe.
Right there. All right, man, now we're talking.
Northeast, northeast, northeast. Alright, we're now once again northbound 127.
Just trying to stay ahead of this if we can.
Hanging out in Owentown.
Winter shelf right here. A little bit, yeah, something hanging down way over there.
Way down on the ground.
Fortunately, I'm right use the term wall cloud, everybody. It's hanging out from the shelf. Yeah, that might be a wall cloud.
Yes, indeed. It's a dry line wall cloud.
Yep, we are fishing happy now. Woohoo!
We're a little
Let's
too,
see if this thing can drop a tornado.
we're a little too far away to detect any rotation with it. However, you got a dry line air coming up.
Yeah, fortunately, raindrops on your window, unfortunately.
Yeah.
We go.
Oh,
Yeah,
that is
getting wind, folks.
suspicious. I don't want to get too far stuck in here. Don't be blocked by trees. It's blocked by trees.
Shoot, we're going to have to get out ahead, more ahead of it.
Yeah, we're going to have to go back.
Yeah,
Look at the, you want a good picture of the trees moving? This is... No, give me something.
Minor flooding. Locations impacted include Williamstown.
Right here.
Yeah, I see it.
Back side is rotating to the left, front side is rotating to the right.
All right, we got rotation, everybody. We may have a tornado warning here from National Weather Service.
No, but this would be a good idea to do tornado watch. It's very small.
Oh, look at the Scud going up. Scud's moving fast.
Buried in this.
Yeah, we got to stay out ahead of it. I want to see we can get far ahead of this if we can so we can be
This
a...
is beautiful. This is beautiful.
We got to go, man. We got to go. Oh, man, now I'm
Yes,
talking.
you see the cross clouds. This
Oh,
is
yeah,
so
now cross clouds. Scud going up. Could be Scud going up over here, too.
Holy crap. Can't get the camera around. Just to the left.
Yeah, I'm gonna look to the left over here. You mean over here? Oh yeah.
It's like completely separate from it, but it's not a tornado. It's just that guy.
I got on tape, got on tape, got on tape. It looks like
Just a solid wedge. But I can't prove that it's anything. Yeah, this road's gonna take us into because 127 went that way. We're heading straight west for it now.
oh wow, man.
Unless it's a power plant. I won't rule that out. Can't rule out all possibilities. Look at it on the digital camera. This is the one that shows some people.
I bet we're getting views now. I bet we're getting tons of views now on RCW now. Oh yeah, that is nice there.
That may be a power
Got on
plant.
tape. Oh, that may be.
However, look at the anvil. It covers up the entire screen.
Everybody, you've seen that on Ustream? It's really nice. It's right in front of the shell cloud right
I
here.
can't even zoom out anymore. The larger part of it's above the screen if you're looking online right now.
I tell you, I think my luck, you'll probably will see a tornado today. Wow. I just want to focus on this. We should get good. Oh wow, we're getting some. Oh yeah, I got it. I gotta go wide. I gotta go wide.
This is a wall cloud. See how it's dropping down like a curve over?
Yep.
Sucking the warm air up.
Oh man, nice CG lightning bolt there. All right. I gotta music to this man. This is drilling now.
Sorry, we got the woods.
Right now.
Yeah, the gusts are ripping the trees off. It's like dead calm, and then all of a sudden it does. Wow, that's beautiful. I am on the job now. Oh my gosh. Give me a photo view here.
I got a good view of it, man.
I'm gonna trust you for it.
Keep on going. Keep on going. You gotta keep going. Right now, I'm just focused on that right there. That is amazing. I've never seen anything like that before in my life.
Likewise. That is just wow.
Everybody about to get the front of this, so we're hopeful that we can get out ahead of this. We're getting closer to the edge of it.
It's all residentials. Choice. It's gonna catch up to us again. There's no way around it. It's gonna stay on 16.
7:50 p.m. Local law enforcement reported flooding still occurring over numerous roads from over excessive rainfall. Flooding will continue to occur, although water is expected to slowly recede. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Iowa County, Bryan, Harris Hill, Concord, and Charters are again about the severe thunderstorm.
There's some scud right there. I think we're getting a nice sunset here.
I got 3 cameras here. Oh, yeah. I need to zoom out to see that. It's just,